What if the person you love was never real? Or worse, what if they were meant to destroy you? Today, we explore the haunting mystery of La Belle Dame sans Mercy by John Keats, a poem filled with beauty, danger, and unanswered questions. It has a strange beginning. The poem begins with a lonely knight, weak and suffering. A stranger asks him what has happened. The knight looks pale, abandoned, almost lifeless. Already we feel something is not right. Who or what caused this condition? The mysterious woman. The knights tell his story. He met a beautiful lady, a fairy's child. She was wild eyes and spoke strangely. She seems magical, not human. He fell in love instantly. But here's the mystery. Did she truly love him back, or was it all an illusion? The enchanted experience. The lady takes the knight on a dream-like journey. She feeds him sweet roots and honey. She sings, she smiles. Everything feels perfect, but suddenly everything changes. The knight falls asleep, but what he sees next is terrifying. The dream of death. In his dream, the knight sees pale kings and warriors. All of them look weak, just like him. They warn him. Lee Belle Dame sans Mercy has enslaved you. When he wakes up, the lady is gone. He is alone and he is slowly dying. Theories. Number one theory, the lady is vampire. Some believe the lady is like a vampire. She doesn't drink blood, but she steals life and energy. All the men she meets become weak and lifeless. The knight is just her latest victim. Theory number two, she is a fairy or supernatural being. The poem calls her a fairy's child. In folklore, fairies can trap humans in magical illusions. The night may have been enchanted, not truly loved. Theory 3. She represents dangerous love, another idea. She is not real at all. She represents a toxic or one sided love. The knight falls too deeply, too quickly. His sufferings come from his own emotions. Theory 4. The whole story is a dream. What if none of this actually happened? The knight might be dreaming or hallucinating. The lady could be a symbol created by his mind. This makes the poem even more mysterious. Theory number 5. Warning about beauty. The poem may be a warning. Not everything beautiful is safe. Attraction can sometimes lead to destruction. The lady's beauty hides danger. Deep meaning. The poem explores love and illusion, beauty and danger, loneliness and loss. It leaves us with questions instead of answers, and that is what makes it so powerful. So, who was the lady? A fairy, a vampire, a dream, or something even more mysterious? Maybe the truth is meant to remain hidden. Tell me your theory in the comments, and like, share and subscribe for more mysterious stories. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye from my side.